Welcome back to Cooking with Gloria. I'm Gloria, and today I want to share with you a very delicious and amazing tea. It's a tea to help you sleep, a tea that's gonna fight the insomnia. Yes, we are in difficult times, and there's so many issues that cause the insomnia, and this tea is going to help you relax, sleep like a baby. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. My ingredients. I have, of course, honey, and try to obtain the best quality of honey. I have chamomile teas, rose petals. These herbs are called 7 blossoms, a stick of cinnamon, honey, and water. This is everything we need in order to take a beautiful and rested nap. This is everything we need. Remember, we are living with a lot of stress, a lot of worry. This tea will offer you many benefits, and I'll be telling you during the video. But let's make it at home. Let's sleep like a baby. So let's get started. I want to start first here, adding the water to my pitcher. This pitcher can go directly onto the stove. Of course, you could use what you have at home, but here I'm adding the water to this. I am going to add 1 cinnamon stick. You only need 1 cinnamon stick. We're gonna go ahead, cover it, take it to the stove, and start cooking it in low heat. This part is important because we wanna obtain all those benefits of the cinnamon. And here I want to show you how the rose petals look. The rose petals have a lot of properties. You really need to look into it. It really helps you with the depression, with the stress, being nervous, having anxiety, having panic attacks, stomach pain, indigestion, you name it. It really helps you a lot. Some people say, well, I can't sleep, I have insomnia, and they think that's what it is. But you know, so insomnia has a lot of steps, a lot of parts that sometimes we don't even know. And this is the other tea. This tea has flowers, leaves, little stems, and this is the 7 blossoms. I'm going to show you how they look, the packages, how they look, and you could buy them in any supermarket. This is the natural way to make this tea. I have tea bags here, chamomile tea bags, and of course you could find them in any superstore, Walmart, Target. You could find them everywhere. But you know something? This tea really helps you sleep well, get enough rest. As you know, I was very sick with this virus, and I was really stressed out. Some days I just felt like I didn't even want to come out of bed. But now I want to show you the tea I was drinking, the tea that really helped me with my insomnia. Right now, I know that there is many people having this problem that they cannot sleep. When you can't sleep, when you don't get enough rest, the next day is like, oh my God, do I really need to get out of this bed? Well, yeah, you have to continue your life. Give it a try. I know that once you guys try it, you guys are going to really fall in love with this tea that's going to help you rest. It's going to help you with the stress. It's going to help you if you're in depression. All these are things that come all together. You're going to let it cook for at least 10 minutes. When it starts, let it cook for at least a couple minutes. When it starts bubbling, you add the 7 blooms, you add the rose petals, and just leave it there for about 1 or 2 minutes. And once it starts really boiling, you are going to cover it. But let me tell you, this tea is really going to help you sleep, get enough rest. Drink it 10 or 15 minutes before you go into bed. Before you say, I'm going to go and take a nap. Drink it. And I know that the next morning you are going to wake up refreshed. You are going to see the world in a totally different way. Because remember, when you cannot sleep, the next day you feel horrible. You say, I don't even feel like getting out of the bed. Add your teas. Once you add your teas, just cover it and turn it off and just let it rest there for about 2 minutes. So the chamomile really infuses the water. Once you add it, you start smelling the chamomile. It's a very relaxing smell, and it smells amazing. But let me tell you, give it a try, because if you don't try it, you're not going to know if it's going to work for you. I tried it. My mother gave it to me, and she kept saying, Gloria, you're going through a hard time with this virus. Drink this, and this is going to help you rest. And I gave it a try. And you know something? It worked for me. It worked very well. Look at the rose petals. They were very bright red, and now they are very pale pink. After a couple minutes, then you are ready to pour. I am going to sift it to make sure that none of the little flowers, the stems, leaves, they don't come into my tea. I'm just going to go ahead, pour it in here. You could drink it just like that, or you could add a little bit of honey. I am adding just a little bit of honey, but to tell you the truth, it doesn't even need to, because it's so penetrated with all those delicious flavors that you need to try it. Once you try this, you're going to notice that you're sleeping well, that you're no longer feeling stressed, depressed, nervous, with a lot of anxiety. Give it a try. My friends, I am done with this amazing tea. This tea has so many properties. I promise you, once you start drinking this tea, you are going to sleep like a baby. The aroma of the chamomile really so penetrated. I wish you guys were here to taste it with me. Let me enjoy this delicious tea. The flavor is so delicious that you could, if you want, don't even add honey. Just enjoy it, just like that. It's amazing. I am sure that once you try it, you're going to sleep like a baby. You're going to wake up so relaxed, stress-free. Believe me, give it a try. Enjoy this delicious tea, and it's going to help you with your insomnia. I love you guys. If you liked and loved my recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated so every time I make a delicious recipe like I did today, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being part of my family. Like, subscribe, and share. See you soon. Bye-bye.